Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. In this video we're going to talk about the 12 must-have accessories for a beginner photographer. Whether you're getting into photography or you love taking pictures, this video is for you, and don't forget to share it with everyone. So without further ado, let's begin. You have your camera and you'd like to invest in extra accessories to make your photos look more and more amazing. So not in any order, I'm just gonna tell you what I love to use when going out on a shoot, or what I think everyone should have when going for a shoot. So you need a speed light. Some people call it flash. So speed light, this is it. I use Canon, so I have the Speedlight for the Canon 430EX. If you're gonna shoot events, weddings, or nighttime photography, or you love to do some studio work, you should invest in a Speedlight. This is very essential. This will save your life. You could add modifiers to it. I could do that in another video, but yeah, there are a lot of brands, so depends on what camera you're using. This is for Canon users. There are a lot of other options for Canon. There's Nikon, there's this brand called this third-party brand called Yongnuo, and there's newer. I'm gonna link down to some brands so you could pick for whatever camera you're using. If you're using the third-party brand, so you can use Yongnuo for Canon, Yongnuo for Nikon, Yongnuo for Sony. So a flash is really essential. Always have extra batteries, guys. I usually uses like 4 AA batteries. I love to use this brand, the Analog and the Watson, and sometimes Amazon Basics. I've heard good things about them. Always have extra batteries. When you go for events, especially weddings, like I usually switch my batteries twice. So yeah, always have extra batteries. At least I will advise you to buy rechargeable batteries, because once you use them, you just don't throw them out. You can always recharge them, and they're good for your next session. I'm gonna have everything I mentioned in this video in the description below, so make sure you go and check it after watching this. Apart from the AA batteries, you need to invest in your camera batteries, because one battery is not enough. You can be shooting whatever you're shooting, whether it's photo or video. You need extra batteries, because if you're shooting all day, one battery will not last. So always buy extra battery. I know the brand, like the Canon one or the original ones, are usually more expensive, but you could buy some third-party ones. There are a lot of them on Amazon, and they're really good. So always invest in extra batteries. At least have 2 extras. So guys, always invest in extra SD cards. You don't want to be shooting doing a photo session and your batteries are memory full, card full. Yes, you don't want to run out of cards, so at least always have extra card. And not even when your card is full, for emergency, your card might corrupt or something bad happens to it. So, and they can easily break. I'm not gonna break it now, but yeah, you can accidentally step on it or crush it. So always have a backup, it's essential. And to mention is a card holder, memory card holder. So I have 2. So I have these and the little Pelican ones. So I like the Pelican one, because you could drive on it and it's still fine, and it holds your cards really strong. And you can put a micro card. They're different sizes, depends on what cards your camera is using. There's one for the CF cards, the compact cards. I can take 12 SD cards and 12 micro SD cards. So yeah, invest in one. And this is it's just not the hard case, so you can just put them however inside this little pocket. So yeah, I love my card holders. Invest in them. You need to keep your cards safe. You don't want them to break. So another thing, guys, that you need is a cleaning kit. A cleaning kit, you know, we have to keep our cameras clean. So I like this one because it comes with the dust blower, which is so cool. You can like just, you know, blow up whatever it's on your camera. And it also has the liquid spray, so you could spray this and, you know, wipe it with a wiper. And it has also the cleaning wipes, so you know, it's like the wet towels, and then you just clean around whatever you want to clean. And it also comes with this cool stuff. It's like a broom, I think. So this cool stuff, and you kind of dust whatever it is off. I mean, I dust my laptop with it too, so it's very cool. And it also has the cloth, the cleaning cloth, so, which is really cool. I think, I mean, you could buy them individually, but I think buying it all together to have all the pieces is really great. This is one of the most overlooked ones. So a gaffer tape. A gaffer tape is really essential. You know, you could always like stick it somewhere else, you know, depending on what you're shooting. It could come handy like taping your cables. Get a gaffer tape. It will just, you won't know when you need it until you are like, oh, I need a tape or something to secure something. And this little guy, you can see how much I love it. So it's almost out. I'm always running out. Actually, I ordered more, so it's on the way. If you're like me and love to shoot night photography, like cityscape, slow shutter, light rays, you need a tripod. So there are different kind of tripods, or if you're even shooting something in low light or product shoot, so you need a steady tripod. So there are different types of tripod. There are different ball head. So this one is the this is my little Gorilla Joby board, and it has the little butt head, so ball head, so you can like tilt your camera vertical. And yeah, I mean, with the why I like this, sometimes I have it on the go. I can mount it like anywhere, on trees, on the roadside, or wherever. Yeah, so you'll need a tripod. So this is a normal tripod, and that's a Gorilla board. So depending on what you want. So yeah, so if you shoot portrait, fashion photography, or you know, it could be even any studio or headshots, you know, you should invest in reflectors. So I have different sizes, so I'm just gonna open the small one to show you. So it is, this is a reflector. So it this is a 5-in-1. So this is the silver side and the black side, and inside there's like a diffuser, the white side, and also I think it and also the gold side, depending on what you want to shoot. So if you'd like me to talk about all this in detail, so let me know. And one thing I like this particular one is it has the so you can mount it on a tripod or on a stand, so it's really convenient, and you can use it to avoid all those shadows on your model's face. You can also use it to shoot your YouTube video. Another thing that you need in your camera bags are the clamps. Yes, it might sound ridiculous, but they're really essential. Let's say your model, the person you're shooting, their zipper broke, so you know, you need something to hold the dress. You don't want someone clip on if you don't have an assistant. These little guys are gonna help you. So you know, the zipper broke, so you can use this and tighten it. So get you some clamp. You need a UV filters for all your lenses. I mean, I know some people don't like mounted. I mean, this little thing is translucent, so it doesn't add anything to your lens but an extra protection. So if you follow me on Snapchat, there was a day I just opened my lens and just saw like glass like was just literally pouring out. I just panicked, and then I remembered, oh, it was the filter. So if something bad happens to your lens, maybe it fell, so it will fall first on the filter rather than breaking your glass, which you don't want to spend much money for a new lens. Guys, lenses are expensive, so try to protect them. So get you a UV filter. I mean, it doesn't cost much. After that awesome photo shoot, you need to store all your pictures, so you need to invest in good hard drives. Always have at least 2 hard drives, one as main for working and another one as backup. Guys, always back up your work. I remember when one of my drive like crashed, and yeah, I don't even want to tell you, I don't even want to recall that. So always back up your work, guys. At least you could have something from 500 gigabyte to 1 terabyte, but I'll advise from 1 TB up, one as the main working one and one as a backup. So my backup is, or my backup drive is a static one, so I don't move it around. All this camera gear, where are you gonna have it, where are you gonna put it? So you need to invest in a good camera bag. So here are some camera bags. So this is a mono strap, so this is just a sling one. It can hold, depends on what kind of gear, it can hold quite a lot, so you need to invest in a good camera bag. And if you like backpack instead, there's always one. And this one also, you can put your tripod here and zip it. And there are a ton different camera bags. If you want me to do video on either of this equipment, on how I use it, let me know. And I'm gonna give you one bonus one, which is invisible. So the bonus one is software. So you've taken all these awesome photos and you need to edit them, so you need to invest in a good photo editing software. A professional, there are a lot of options. There's Capture One, Lightroom, and Photoshop. For me, I love to use Adobe Lightroom and Adobe Photoshop, just depending on what I'm editing. So I use either for different purposes. And yeah, let me know what's your photo editing software. Let me know which of these accessories is your favorite, or which is the one that you always need to have. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please press like. It actually makes a difference. Subscribe. I'd love for you to join along, get to share with your family and friends, because sharing is caring. And comment below, let me know what you'd like to see next. So let me know your favorite photography accessory below. Leave down all the links to my social media below, so make sure you follow me. Bye. See you in the next one.